The Note 21 Ultra clone you never expected. What's up guys, and today we're taking a look at the only Note looking phone with the next generation hardware that has come out this year, aka the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra. The only Ultra phone that doesn't really take your kidney, and it costs around $749. It's got some pretty exciting features that could have made a Note 21 Ultra amazing if Samsung decide to make it, like a 144Hz OLED display. Seriously, I've never seen that many refresh rate options on a phone. Snapdragon 888 on board with that amazing performance, 65-watt fast charging. There's definitely a lot to look at it, again, all for $749. That is cheaper than Samsung's base Galaxy S21. And by the way, this is the first time in my life that I'm reviewing a ZTE phone, and I've been making tech videos for like 9 years, so this is definitely an experience. Okay, so design-wise, the main eye-catching thing about it is that they made it to look like a Galaxy Note phone. They actually did a pretty good job. We've got a nice matte finish, minimal branding, Note-style camera sensors with 364-megapixel lenses along with 5x optical zoom. And something that I haven't really seen with the camera lens before is that the lens itself displays Aura Glow colors. It's like they put the Samsung's Aura Glow color onto that camera bump. Now this phone is made to look like a Note phone, not to be the actual Note device, because there is no S Pen slot. So no S Pen, but we do get very loud stereo speaker system. We also get a super fast and reliable under-screen fingerprint scanner. Now this phone has a 144Hz 1080p OLED display. It's really sharp, really nice colors, and side by side next to the Note phones, it holds up really good. I really like that companies are moving already beyond 120Hz refresh rate. 60Hz refresh rate at this point feels extremely outdated. Thanks to Snapdragon 888 and this 144Hz refresh rate, this phone feels seriously smooth, like I have not seen this phone lag even once. Amazing gaming performance, and even with this higher refresh rate, the 4600 mAh battery inside this phone was able to handle stuff really well. And of course, not to forget that 65-watt fast charging. If you do run out of the battery juice, you'll be able to charge up really quickly. Now software-wise, we've got Android 11 on board with ZTE's own MyOS skin. I'm kind of surprised how decent the skin is, like there is no bloatware at all. We've got nice looking quick toggles that look a bit similar to the Android 12. It's not feature packed like other Android skins, but it also doesn't have ads, and it's a pretty soft experience. There's a couple of cool software features that I like, for example, shake to turn off and on flash, doing the triple finger swipe to take the screenshot, one-handed mode which is really easy to initiate, and something called Z-Pop which gives you this key that you can assign custom actions to, like bringing down the status bar if you have small hands. Overall, I didn't feel a need to slap a launcher on this skin, which means it's decent. So far, everything looks good until we come down to those cameras. The camera hardware looks amazing, but it could have performed better in reality if the software was on par. We've got 364-megapixel lens, including wide, ultra-wide, and zoom lens. There's also a periscope lens that allows you to zoom up to 5x level and then all the way up to 60x. You also have the ability to take moonshots, but they don't turn out that good unless you use a tripod. The images outdoor are decent, like colors and dynamic range could have been better. We also get reasonable performance when it comes to those low light situations, but in more challenging situations, the performance does take a hit. The night mode on this phone doesn't take as much time in similar situations as other flagships do, so you do get noticeably more noise. For videos, you can shoot up to 8K. 4K videos are fine, you can shoot 4K 60 or 4K 30, but no 4K videos. When it comes to the front camera, you can only shoot up to 1080p. Also, I got satisfying results with the front camera selfie performance. You do get some extra fun modes like the long exposure mode, pro mode with the raw ability, vlog mode that has a couple of built-in presets. Overall, the camera sounds impressive on paper, but it definitely needs some software updates. So to sum it all up, for $749, it is a good deal. 144Hz OLED screen, Snapdragon 888, 65-watt fast charging, a good battery life. It's got all the good stuff, minus that camera sensor that needs some software updates, that needs some fixing. Hopefully they can improve the experience. That's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. See you guys later. Peace out.